Dhanyavad, Honorable Member. Now, Dr. Achyutanand Samant.
Honorable Sir, Namaste. The Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order 4th Amendment Bill 2022 seeks to amend the Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order 1950 with respect to its application to Karnataka. The order lists the tribal communities deemed to be scheduled tribes in states and also union territories. On behalf of my party Biju Janata Dal, we stand to support any bill that is progressive and works towards the establishing a voice for tribal population. I would also like to wholeheartedly compliment the phenomenal steps taken in this regard by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji government for the development and respect of the tribal society. I have been working with the millions of tribals members of the tribal community for the last 30 years, and I would highlight two main landmarks that have caused a wave of happiness among the tribals in India. Honorable a tribal woman, pride of India rising to the highest constitutional post in India, celebration of birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda on 15th November as the Tribal Pride Day or Janjati Gaurav Divas. Coming to my state of Odisha, that has around approximately 24% tribal population, the last 2 decades have been watershed in tribal empowerment in Odisha because of the inclusive pro-tribal policy. Under the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik leadership, Odisha has championed several inclusive, holistic, participatory, community-driven, gender and culture-sensitive empowerment and development initiative for tribals. Odisha has achieved a lot for tribals because of its innovative schemes, 5T on education front, pioneer in land rights, cultural conservation. I also rise to apprise the House that Odisha is the only state to have first of its kind encyclopedia on tribes of Odisha. I would also request Honorable Minister to consider the request of our Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik ji for over 160 proposals recommended by the government for inclusion in the scheduled tribe list of Odisha. Since 1978, the state government has recommended more than 160 communities of the state to the central government for their inclusion in the ST list of the state with approval of the Tribes Advisory Council. Among these, some are new entries, some others are sub-tribes, subsets, synonymous and phonetic variation of the existing ST communities residing in different parts of the state who are being deprived of the benefits availed by ST, though they have the same tribal characteristics as their respective notified ST. One of them happens to be the Kudmi community in the state, whose population comprise 30 lakhs, live in the districts like Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Baleswar and nearby districts. They are one of the larger groups demanding ST tag for a long time. This shall go a long way in helping these deprived communities by giving them their much needed recognition as scheduled tribes and ensure social justice. Considering these requests is our appeal to ministry, and we stand with it, and we also support this bill. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Shri Dileshwar ji.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। संविधान अनुसूचित जनजाति की सूची में कर्नाटक के कतिपय समुदायों को सम्मिलित किए जाने के लिए इस विधेयक का मैं समर्थन करता हूं।